Today I'll be discussing trigonometrical identities. I'll tell you how to handle those. Okay. Now the question number 1, I have given 3 sums here, and question number 1 I have got LHS. This is the question: cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so this, I'll start with LHS. LHS tells us, LHS has got cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This is your LHS. Okay, they are of different this thing. We will change into sine and cos. Let me see, what can I do? This is cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. Cot theta is sine theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta by sine theta, cot theta. We have already learnt earlier. Okay, then I have, this is, I will switch over to this. This is, I will do it, LCM is sine theta whole square, and 1 minus cos theta, that is equal to sine square theta upon 1 minus cos theta. I have just separated numerator and denominator. Okay. Now we know the identities. Sine square theta is what? Sine square theta is, the numerator I remain same, 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Now a square minus b square, I can break it into, that is, I can break it into a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 minus cos theta divided by whole square divided by a plus b, a minus b, 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. This is only algebra, nothing else. I have not done anything. Okay, that is equal to, I have cancelled one of the term, 1 minus cos theta. This is the numerator will have only 1 minus cos theta remain with, and the denominator will remain with 1 plus cos theta. That is, I can see this one. I have to, that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. Now question number 2. It is given that, prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, I take the left hand side. I change everything into tan. Then this is tan theta, and cot theta will be 1 by tan. Yes, 1 by tan plus, this is 1 by tan again, divided by 1 minus tan. Then I take the LCM of it. It will be tan theta minus 1, and it is tan square theta. and this will be tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. I take common. When I take common, this will be, I have taken common minus sign, then it is tan square theta into divided by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. What is this? This will be 1 minus tan cube theta, because this tan is extra. This tan is extra. Here no tan is there. Here this tan is extra. So it will be cube. This is tan cube theta. 1 minute. This is tan cube theta. Cube theta. So I know the formula, that is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube? A minus b into, if it is a factorization formula, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So this one, a minus b, my b is tan theta, into a square plus tan square theta, a square plus b square plus ab will be 1 into tan theta. Yes, done. Okay, now what happened is, this will be cancelled and I remain with tan theta. I am remained with tan theta, left out with tan theta. Now tan theta I divide, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Yes, that is the identity I have used. And sec square theta divided by tan theta. Sec square theta divided by tan theta, again tan theta by tan theta. So sec square is what? 1 upon cos square. And since the tan is in the denominator, so it will be cos upon sine. Here 1 cos is cancelled and I am left out with 1 upon cos theta into 1 upon sine theta. That is sec theta into cosec theta. That is RHS, right hand side. 1 minute, have you followed? That is what I have done. I have changed cot theta and tan theta into tan theta, the same thing. So I take the LCM. Don't make the mistake of taking LCM. See, LCM I have taken, this is tan theta minus 1, I have taken common minus. I have taken minus 1 minus tan theta plus tan theta. So please note the sum. It is continuously, you have to be very careful about the signs and the identities. Identities also, this is the a cube minus b cube, the formulas also. Okay. Question number 3. That is left hand side, this is a sum given to you. That is 1 plus sec theta divided by sec theta is sine square theta. Sine square theta. Now this is A. Sorry, I have, instead of that angle it is given, this is A. It will be either A or theta. Let us take it as theta. Okay. This is a mistake in my part, copying the sum. Though now I will be doing it. That is 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now left hand side, what do I do? See, sine cos, the easiest conversion converts. We will be doing sine cos into sine cos in sine cos. LHS, left hand side, is equal to 1 plus sec theta divided by sec theta. What will I do? I will change this into cos. that is 1 plus cos theta. The 1 plus 1 upon cos theta, sec is 1 upon cos theta, divided by 1 upon cos theta. It's okay. Then if I take the LCM, what do I get? 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Divided by 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta and cos theta will be cancelled. I am left out with 1 plus cos theta. See, I can do it from this side also, left hand or right hand side equal after doing equal, or I can continue from here also. This I will do it. That is equal to 1 plus cos theta. I multiply. That is, I multiply up and down by 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. The whole thing I multiply. Okay. So 1 plus a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Okay. 1 minus cos square theta is, which is the identity? Identity is 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta is equal to sin square theta upon 1 minus cos theta. I got the right hand side now. Hence proved. Now, if I don't want to multiply rational, this is called rationalization. If I don't want to do it, I can directly open the right hand side also. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta and divided by 1 minus cos theta. The same thing will remain. A plus b, a minus b. 1 minus cos theta will be cancelled. So hence proved.